Hello my fellow streamers, this video will explain the script I wrote to you to help you to achieve your magic goals in your magic productions. So, the point of the script is all of you are streaming some boring conferences. On these boring conferences, the boring speakers reads their boring presentations, and time to time they go left to right on the stage, and you call the camera operator, and camera operator work is just to move the camera left and right, and in the most cases nothing more. So I wrote the script to help you to cancel your operator and just put your ANY PTZ camera with VISCA protocol and achieve the same goal. So you can see this is live, and this corner is my script, and this corner is VMix. So script works with VMix at the same time, and in VMix camera feed is SRT protocol with full HD and 30 frames per second, and in the script there is a substream of the camera and it goes via RTSP. So let's go into the script and I will show you how it works and how you can adjust the parameters you need to achieve exactly your case to use this script without any camera operator. So you see the script works very fast, and even if I'm moving fast, it tries to frame me perfectly with this very big. I'm sorry for my English, it is not my native language. First of all, you need to set up your Python environment, and you need to set up your virtual environment. You can do it many ways. This video will not explain this. There are lots of videos on YouTube that can explain this. My way to do this, and I like this way, is to install PyCharm and everything inside PyCharm. It is very simple, very useful in my opinion, but you can do whatever you want. So we need to import our libraries to work with this script. Script works with FFmpeg and with Yellow 8 from Ultralytics, I don't know. First of all, you need to import socket to achieve connection with your camera via TCP protocol. You need to import CV, OpenCV to visualize the image in the Python. You need to import NumPy to work with massive, and you need to import subprocess to work with subprocess like FFmpeg, and you need to import Yellow from Ultralytics, I don't know. Then you need to determine your camera IP, VISCA port. By default it 1259, and RTSP URL of your camera. RTSP address of your camera is you can find it in manual of your camera, but it's very simple. In most cases it's like this, but in some cameras it's not like this. This is how I did it in my AVMatrix camera. So you see it is IP address, and this is stream name. It is substream, so this is not mainstream. Then you put your address here. You can check it via VLC player, for example, and see if it works. And then you need to determine your VISCA command. For example, this is VISCA stop command, and I find it in AVMatrix manual. So somewhere here it is, and you need to put it here. So the most cameras are the same, has the same VISCA commands, but if your camera has not the same, so you need to go to your camera manual, check it out, and print in the numbers here, so the script works. Then you can adjust minimum and maximum speeds of the camera. The minimum speed of camera is 1 pan speed, low speed is 1, and 18 is high speed of camera movement. So if your speaker on the presentation is moving very fast, you can print here 18, for example. And if you need to very smooth and slow movement of the camera, you can just play with these parameters. And this is threshold for stabilization of camera. When camera sees the speaker is near the center, everything okay, it will stand still and wait for speaker moves left or right. This is video parameters of the script's frame, just to not big perform of your computer, because you see this works with on the same computer and script and vMix and OBS and DaVinci also. It will not use a lot of performance of your computer, of your PC. And next, I think this is the main point of the script, because this is the point of the vertical position. So this is the red dot, and it is 20% from the top of the frame. So this is this air, I don't know how it will be in English, air above the head, so it will be perfect framing. You can also adjust it 0.3, 0.4, even 0.5 to make the speaker's head even the center of the frame, so it's up to you. This is model patho to YOLO 8. If you haven't installed this inside the Python virtual environment, so you can print in here paths to your YOLO 8 model. This is show visors or not. It will show this green rectangle and 2 points or not. This is made for even if you, for example, need to show this RTSP feed to somewhere else without this visualization. It will also work. For example, let's try with false, running the script, and you see it also works without any point and without any rectangles on the screen. By the way, if speaker will hide, camera will just stop, and when something from speaker is showing up, camera will start to auto-framing it and auto-tracking. Next we have VISCA command generator. So this generates VISCA commands to move the camera. So when speaker moves somewhere, this block generates the VISCA commands and sends it to the camera. And this block is controlling the center of the person YOLO determine, and tries to get it to the reference point, red dot of 20% of the top of the frame, and this is how it works. So next we have FFmpeg, next we have connections to camera, blah blah blah, and we have visuals, rectangle, 2 points, and that's it. Into the script we'll wait for escape key just to stop working. So if you need your escape key in your production, you can change it here. This script is completely free. It is on my GitHub. The link is in the description below. You can use it in your own way. You can adjust it with everything you need. And this is some license information that it costs. This code uses FFmpeg and YOLO 8. And here's my credentials. So if you like this video and this script is helping your production, I will be happy. And thank you for watching this video. Please write down some comment under this video. It will help me to understand that my work is useful for you. Okay, thank you. Take care. Bye bye. By the way, you need to understand that all of you have different environments, different situations, and there can be lots of people, for example, two people, 3 people in the frame, and the script will work only with that person that is in the middle of the frame. The main idea of the script that there is only one person on the stage and nothing else, and he is reading his boring presentation. Because in the most of events, this is how it works. The one speaker, left, right, and reads his boring presentation. So if you have 2 speakers, 3 speakers, lots of speakers, tons of speakers, and where is, for example, screen in the background of speaker that will show another speaker, script can be not for you. So it will need to adjust something. But in the most cases, when you have one speaker and nothing else, I think that will help you to optimize your production.